Cleaning time.
What's going on, guys? Trobanes here today, and I'll be talking to you about cleaning and maintaining your vehicle. Now, as you can see, guys, I have a 2011 Crown Vic, and usually, for those who know me personally, I use my own products. But today, I went to a local car wash and decided to use some of their stuff to actually clean my vehicle. As you can see me using the actual wheel cleaner that they have provided at the car wash. But me personally, I like to use a lot of name brand wheel cleaners you can find at your local auto parts store. And then now you can see me here just using the actual foam brush, which a lot of you people are probably like, a lot of you guys will be like, oh, you're gonna ruin the paint. Well, the car honestly needs repainted. So for now, I'm just using the local car wash to wash it all down, get it nice and sudsy. I like to use a lot of name brand stuff like Turtle Wax or McGuire's. So as you can see me just getting it all nice and sudsy, and then as the video goes on, I'll do a little bit of talking like what I like to do for getting my car looking good, as it does for anybody that sees it at shows or at videos. Like, I'll be going through like how I do it. So for now, just enjoy this little moment of me scrubbing down my car, and I'll see you in the next little segment. Alrighty, guys, and now we're going to start off with the first product, Gride's Black Shine. Usually, honestly, I'm going to be honest with you, I prefer the Satin Shine, but at the store I went to, that's all they had, and you can see me doing quite a bit of it, but that's also because let the product do its thing. Usually, a little less is more, but for me, I like to use a little bit extra to look for that shine or that look I'm looking for. But as you can see me you saw me earlier just spraying it down, and now you can see me here just wiping down the tires to let them get that kind of flat shine. Because for this one, you can let it sit or get that high shine, or if you want, you can wipe it down and get that low looking little shine. But me, I like that little kind of not that brightening shine, but that kind of like just natural shine of a new tire. So as you can see me just wiping it down, cleaning it, like getting all that excess residue off, and kind of just cleaning the rim while I'm down there as well. So might as well get that knocked out while you can. But it also gives it a nice little looking shine to your rim as well, which you saw me do a little bit on the rim, on the application part as well. So as you just watch me just kind of just go through and just wipe down everything a little bit, it's just practically getting everything all cleaned up and all that excess residue off. Alrighty, guys, and we're coming to the waxing part of the video, and as you can see, I'm using Turtle Wax Ice Spray Wax. As you can see, I just had to prime it because it was a brand new bottle. I like to experiment with a lot of different waxes, but Turtle Wax Ice Wax is one of my favorite kind of waxes to use. As you can see, I just kind of two-talent it, one for the application part and then one to go back and dry it off. As you can see, I can kind of go pretty heavy on it. Light, like I said before, less is more, but I like to have that extra nice looking shine and that really good looking finish, slick finish to all my cars, as it's just really good. It's really good. It's a really good product by Turtle Wax. And the way I do it, it's like you'll see like water bead and roll right off of the vehicles. And I tell you what, guys, I could never be so more happy with a product such as Turtle Wax Spray Ice. So as you see me go through, just kind of spray applicant and just kind of wipe everything down, then just clean everything, just getting all that wax off, and just, yeah. Sorry, not pretty good with words, but just enjoy me just waxing down my car, guys.
And see guys, that just only demonstrates of how good some waxes are.
Alrighty guys, and we're coming to our last product of the video. Rain X 2-in-1 glass cleaner and rain repellent. As you can see, I have quite a few stickers on my windows, so what I like to do especially is be a little careful around my stickers, just kind of like I said, less is more. You see me tool toweling it again. This is one of the things I like to have a lot of towels for, is definitely stuff like this, because of all the like the products I use and the way I use my application. And you can see in my one hand, you'll see I have a special glass cleaning blue towel that I actually got from a car show. And I'll tell you what, those towels are really, really good with glass. Like if you want to have like your windows look really good. Like I said, I use 2 towels, one for application, one to wipe it all down and clean. Kind of get rid of any like smearing or smudges that are there. So. And lastly guys, after everything is all said and done, what I also like to do is take a nice clean dry microfiber towel or rag of some sort and just go over the car and just kind of just wipe it all down, get rid of any other smudges or smears that I missed, and just get it looking really, really good for that final shine.
And there you guys have it, a nice clean car. Look at that baby shine. All thanks to those products that I have shown you in the video. Now guys, if you want to find more of those products, you can stop by at your local AutoZone, O'Reilly Auto Parts, Advanced Auto Parts. You guys can find all those fantastic products in there. But for now guys, this is Troy Baines. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully see you guys in the next one.